Hi there, it's Kate. Today I will show you how to crochet stitches in the front loop or in the back loop only. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a thumbs up. First of all, it's really as simple as it sounds. We literally work the stitches in the front loop or in the back loop instead of going through both loops like we normally do. Where are these loops then? Let's look at my tiny swatch. No matter if you have a foundation chain or a row full of stitches, there are always 2 yarn strands per stitch. They create a V shape when we look at them from above. It's super simple. The front loop is the one near you, while the back loop is the one further away from you. This rule stands no matter if you are right or left-handed. I'm now looking at the row that is already done, but to continue with my swatch I have to turn it and face the wrong side. I'm going to work double crochets, but I need a turning chain first. And let's turn. Alright, now when I look at my swatch from above, I can see the little V shapes. These are my stitches and each arm of the V is a strand of yarn. The strands closer to me are front loops and the ones further away are back loops. To make a front loop only double crochet, I have to yarn over and insert the hook front to back under the strand near me. Now I can finish the stitch normally. Alright, let's continue. I'm inserting the hook under one strand of yarn instead of 2 and working the stitch normally. One thing you have to keep in mind though is that front loop only and back loop only stitches aren't that firmly attached to the row below as they pull the yarn to one side. My row is almost finished and my last stitch should go into the turning chain. As you can see, even here we can identify front and back loops. Okay, my row is ready and it looks quite normal on this side. However, when I turn it around, you can see a nice horizontal line between the rows. These are our back loops. Let's make a turning chain once again and turn the work. We're on the other side now, but we follow the same logic. We have front loops near us and back loops further away. It's the only thing you have to remember. Let's make a couple of front loop only double crochets again and see what happens. As you can see, the stitches look normal on this right side, but the horizontal line appears on the wrong side. If this is a design element you want to achieve on the same side, we have to switch to the back loop only stitches. It's as simple as that. Insert your hook under the strand of yarn further away from you and make a stitch normally. you can see that this stitch is a little further back than our previous ones. Okay, my row is ready. As you can see, working back loop only stitches created a line in the front, while the opposite happened when we made front loop only stitches. We can modify any kind of stitch in this way, whether it's basic stitch, an increase, a decrease, or else. And that's all. Now you know how to make flow and blow stitches. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button to get a notification whenever I post something new. Comment below to let me know what you want to see next, and have a creative day.